After this tutorial, you can install any software you want from Creative Cloud. So first you have to download two software. I have given the link in the description. You have to download it. Then you have to click Creative Cloud setup software two times, and you have to wait some time. It will load here, and after loading you can see here sign in. So you have to sign in with Google or Facebook. So I am signing in with Google, so continue with Google. Now I have to input my Gmail address. Now my password. Okay, now you can see welcome to Adobe. Then I have to select my country, then month, and the date of birth of mine. So I am selecting it. So then I have to click done. You can see my account is created, and now it will be load, and you can see start installing. So you have to click here. You can see our software is installing. After installed, you have to open this software. After install and opening the software, you can see this kind of interface. Now click the navigation menu and files, then preferences, and you have to untick this two thing, then click done. After doing this, you have to minimize it, and you have to double click this software, the next software. So I am double clicking it. Now click yes. You can see this kind of interface. Now click search. You have to wait some time here, so be patient. You can see here is only one software, then click pass, and you have to wait some time. Then you can see this kind of thing. You have to close it from here. Okay, now you have to close the Adobe Creative Cloud, then refresh and open again. Now if I go to apps, and you can see there is no trial version. Here you can install any software you want. Next video I will show you how to install Adobe Photoshop beta or any kind of software, it will work or not. Then if I go to beta apps, here you can see only install option, no buy or a trial option.